BMW X3 here on a 2012 plate. Just clean the headlight bulb. As you can see, that one there is working, but this one isn't. I'm going to just switch the lights up and I'll show you how it's done. Right, the bulb you need is a H7 bulb. As you can see right there, that's the bulb you need. You will find that in the description, the link for it. Now to do it, what you got to do is take this cover off first. So if I turn this to my left, take the cover off. On the inside, you've got the bulb holder right there. All you do is just slots, the bulb slots in. But if you see the pin locator, which is facing up, so that's how the bulb is going to go. So if I wiggle, and then pull the whole thing out. Once I got it out, just remember how you take it out. So this pin locator needs to face up. So take this out. I get a new one. Now I've got the new one. Just remember how I did it. So this pin locator needs to face up. As a joking. So that's it. And then what you do, you slot it in. If you're not too sure, you can always see from the front as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see from the front. I'm going to locate the bulb and then slot it in. I'll hear it click. Nope, that's not right. That's not right as well. So what I do, turn it a little bit. There we go. That's in there. So if you look at it on the inside now, just got to be careful because it's a bit of an, as you can see where the pin locator is on the top. So make sure that sort kind of clips in, and that's the job done. So what I now do is put the cover on, and I'm going to check the lights now. So this time I'm not going to switch the engine on. There we go. Now as you can see, both are working. That's all you had to do on this particular model. It is an X3 and there is a playlist for BMW as well, so do check it out. And if there is anything else you need to know, drop us a comment below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.